Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल कोयराचेर ताबो हाडपाक सरकारान डिपॉझिट रिफंड स्कीम नावाची येवजण काडिल्ली. येवजण अशी: खरेदी करतना डिपॉझिट म्हणून एक्स्ट्रा पयशे दिवप आनी कोयर परत करतना डिपॉझिट केल्ले पयशे परत मेळवप अशी ही कॉम्प्लिकाद स्कीम. ही येवजण सोऱ्यांच्या बाटल्यांक लागू करून 1 एप्रिलच्यान सुरू जातली म्हूण सरकारान जाहीर केल्लें. ताचे खातीर प्रोड्युसर्स, इम्पोर्टर्स आनी ब्रँड ओनर्सांक 28 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन रजिस्टर करपाक लायिल्लें. हाचो सोऱ्याचो धंदो करतल्यांक मार बसतलो, सेलांचेर परिणाम जातलो म्हूण धंदेकार उलोवपाक लागल्यात. सरकारान रजिस्ट्रेशनाची तारीख आतां 15 मार्च मेरेन धुकल्ल्या.
Government wants to come out with a good system. Good, but there's a problem. The problem is awareness now. खंय तरी ते चुकले and कमी पडले government. They have to first create awareness, SOPs for training. We're going to be implementing something on the 1st of April. Few days left. Where is the market ready? Where is the training done to the staff? We have not got any official letter. That is what we want. If you want to change and drive change in consumer behavior, in responsibility with the citizen, there should be hoardings. There should be pamphlets given to people. We are going to be charging over MRP. 10 rupees over MRP. Where is the notification come to the retailers that we can charge 10 rupees extra? Has the weights and measures given us a letter? Has the excise told us you can charge extra? If I'm supposed to bill it, where will I put this on my bill? Has to be very clearly told us, because this has tax implications. I'm taking 10 rupees from hundreds of customers. This will reflect on my balance sheet. What will happen to that extra 10 rupees, that extra amount? How do I show accounting? Trade needs protection from this to essentially safeguard our interests. If the tourist is taking the bottle and going to Bombay, going abroad, he's taking a bottle of Feni and traveling outside, I still charge him 10 rupees. He's going to argue with me. You're implementing in the whole state, 3,200 square kilometers. You're putting only 300 recycling stations. Where have you done a pilot? Plastic bags, chip packets, diapers, garbage, Swiggy te je log khata, they throw it in the plastic bag and throw it out. That is the problem. Why are you coming after an industry that is already responsible? You go to any restaurant, any bar, anywhere, that Raddi wala picks up the bottles. These things are already sorted out. Go after the unorganized sector. You're coming after an organized sector. We need a modern, decisive and a proper implementation of a very noble intent. This intent is good, but the implementation is catastrophic.
Bureau Report, Prudent.